Welcome to watch the demonstration of Jg95X excavator with Grapple. Jg95X Grapple Excavator is equipped with 65 kW turbocharged engine. This type of grapple wheel excavator shows excellent performance in slope climbing, material loading and so on. By utilizing a piston pump, this agricultural excavator enjoys smooth movement and high working efficiency. The 360 degrees rotary grab makes our wheel excavator popular with farmers for loading sugar canes and timbers. Our grapple excavator is more stable and efficient than others, no matter it is raining or not. What are you waiting for? Click our website www.chinaexcavators.com to get more information about it.